call wall versus put wall the real support and resistance for SPX. If you're drawing support and resistance lines by eye and wondering why price keeps ignoring them, I want to show you the levels that actually hold on SPX. Not trend lines, not round numbers, real institutional ceilings and floors, sitting right there in the options data the whole time. This is TLAR Academy. Let's talk about call walls and put walls. A call wall is the strike price where the heaviest concentration of long gamma sits. At that level, dealers who are short, those calls have to hedge aggressively, and that hedging tends to cap price. It acts like a ceiling. Look at this chart. Every time SPX approaches this level, it stalls, it rejects, it comes back down. That's not coincidence. That's dealers defending their hedge at that strike. Same idea, opposite direction. The put wall is where the heaviest short gamma sits. Dealers hedging their short put exposure tend to buy support back into that level, so it acts like a floor. Same chart, same day. Every touch of this lower level, buyers show up. Again, not an accident, mechanical. Here's why this beats a hand-drawn trend line. A trend line is your opinion about where price should react. A call wall or put wall is where dealers are contractually required to react. One's a guess, the other's a mechanical certainty tied to real money. That doesn't mean price never breaks through. It can, especially on high-volume days or when positioning shifts. But until it does, this range is the market's real battlefield. So how do you find these without doing options chain math by hand every morning? This is the TLAR Dashboard. Call walls flagged right here, put wall right here, updated live as positioning shifts through the day. You don't need to calculate this. You need to know how to read it and react to it. Simplest version of the strategy: fade the walls, respect the range. Price approaches the call wall. Look for shorts or premium selling. Price approaches the put wall. Look for longs or premium selling on the put side. The move gets more interesting when a wall breaks. That's usually a sign positioning is shifting, and that's a full video on its own. Call wall and put wall, the ceiling and floor that actually matter. Once you know these, go watch the Power Hour video linked here. That's the force pulling price toward these levels late in the day. Subscribe for a new breakdown every week.